Here's how you can edit a Word document on the iPad. So let's get started. Let me explain it all. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you become part of the community and never miss anything important. So if you open up your Files app, it's likely that you are going to find some documents right here. And in order to make edits to that document, you need to have like a editor app for it. So there are obviously more apps. I personally like to use the Apple Pages, but there are also the Google Docs or, the Microsoft Word official app. And the point is that you essentially located that document in here, and you can either click on it and see what happens, which app opens that document, but you can also hold it down on it and click on open with and then decide through which app you want to edit the document, right? So personally, I always go with the Apple Pages. It just works out well for me. I like that option. So I like to open my documents through the Apple Pages, and all of the things will be able to be like managed in here. So I'll be able to click on edit and delete the text, add some more, add all of the different elements like the photos and tables and whatnot. And after I'm done, I'm just going to click on share and export, and I will save the finished document. So yeah, the thing I like about the Apple Pages is that I can even export it in a different format. So if I started working with a Word document, I can export it as a PDF if I wanted to, right? So that is, for me, the best way to edit Word documents. So I really hope that I can help you out, or at least like guide you through it a little bit. So let me know what you think. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.